We truly count the days to the happiest time of the year. A lovely evening to everyone. Celebrate the warmth of the holidays and create joyful moments with your loved ones here at SM's Christmas festivities. To welcome us all, may we call on the mall manager of SM Mall City, Cabanatuan. We have Mr. Marvin Mauro El Mapoto.
Hello. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Very warm greetings from SM City, Cabanatuan. Siyempre, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our community partners and friendly forces ngayong gabi po. Siyempre, pinangungunahan po ng ating Honorable Mayor, Provincial Tourism Office, Ms. John Mara Estefan San Pedro, our Provincial Tourism Officer, from DTI, headed by Dr. De Belisa T. Hidalgo. Kasama po si Ma'am Cheryl, Ma'am Janica, and Ma'am Sherry. Magandang gabi po. Kasama rin po natin from City Tourism Office, on behalf of Attorney Sherilyn Madrid Bautista, Ms. Roel Anyambot, with Mr. Edwin Rojas and Mr. Enrico Galvez. Kasama rin po natin from PNP, Police Lieutenant Colonel Chief of Police Sir Renato C. Morales. At kasama ang ating mga Police Corporal, Sir Renz Gloria, Sir Radsmir Tomas, Ma'am Diane Rivera, and Ma'am Jasmine Santos, with Sir Edgar B. Ibarra, our patrolman. From our BFP, kasama po natin Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual, our City Fire Marshal. Kasama po si FO2 Maureen Asnar and FO1 Jenny Rose Galiana. Siyempre, kasama din po natin CDRRMO from Cabanatuan City, Mr. Israel T. Adjarani, with Sir John Dave De Jesus, Mr. Christopher Matsas. Magandang gabi po. Siyempre, kasama din po natin our media partners and friends. Magandang gabi po. To our dearest affiliates, mall partners and tenants, of course, my beloved colleagues from SMCT Cabanatuan and Mega Center Cabanatuan, management team, to our valued shoppers and mall goers, good evening po. Alright, we would like to welcome everyone to the Christmas festivities at SM. A celebration of family togetherness, meaningful connections, and the joy we shared with our friends and loved ones this holiday season. This year, aside from annual tree lighting ceremony, we're bringing you more holiday activities for families and friends to enjoy, creating lasting memories together. Share the gift of friendship and joy this holiday season with SM Besties of Joy, a simple act of giving that brings comfort, kindness, and connection. Join the holiday fun and collect delightful prizes through this year's SM Christmas Village digital game. Make your holiday extra special with Grand Magical Parade. So, ang dami talagang niready natin, no? Para sa ating mga mall goers. Feel the sparkle of the season with the holiday snowflakes surprises. And let your heart be lifted by the harmonies of World Choral Day this December. Catch the SM Holly Squad, yung mga nakikita po natin sa gilid, and make the most of the happiest holiday weekends packed with carols, fun activities, and festive moments for the whole family and friends. So through the Christmas festivities at SM, we hope to strengthen the ties that bind us to our loved ones, like the ribbons wrapped in our holiday decors. It is a symbol of family, connection, and shared joy. May this season bring us even closer as we celebrate love, laughter, and togetherness here at SM City Cabanatuan. Thank you and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Thank you so much, and thank you, our mall manager of SM City Cabanatuan, Mr. Marvin Mauro El Magtoto VI.
Ano pwede pumunta tayo dito sa gilid?
And now, let's hear from some of our distinguished guests. Let's put our hands together for the city mayor of
Hello, good evening po sa inyo.
Yes,
Actually, akala ko.
isang magandang gabi mga Kanovo Esihano. Ako po si Jovelina Eslero at narito tayo ngayon live sa SM City Cabanatuan kung saan kasalukuyang ginaganap ang Christmas Launch 2025. At ngayong gabi po opisyal na binubuksan ng SM ang panahon ng Kapaskuhan sa pamamagitan ng lighting of the Rob Christmas trees na makikita dito mismo sa Event Center first floor ng mall. Kampit po sa okasyong ito ang makukulay syempre ng mga palamuti, Christmas performances at mga pinakahihintay ng lahat ang ceremonial toast at official lighting of the centerpiece na simbolo ng pag-asa at pagmamahalan ngayong Kapaskuhan. Kasama po sa seremonyang ito ang mga opisyal ng SM City Cabanatuan at mga piling panauhin para makaisa sa pagdiriwang ng liwanag ng Pasko. At tulad nga po ng nakikita ninyo, ayan, napakaganda po ng Christmas centerpiece. Christmas centerpiece, ayan po, na talaga naman na maya-maya lamang ay magliliwanag. At syempre puno-puno po ang kasiyahan at holiday spirit ang buong event center. At ramdam na talaga ang simoy ng Pasko dito sa SM City Cabanatuan. At syempre dito po sa SM City Cabanatuan, tunay na mas maliwanag, mas masaya, at mas makabuluhan ang Pasko. At hindi na po itutunghayan natin ang welcome remarks ng ating SM City Mall Manager na si Mr. Marvin Mauro Magtoto. And of course, para po sa mga naranasan, imagine bigyan na ang kanilang Christmas centerpiece dito sa Event Center at sabayan ng saya ng Kapaskuhan.
And now, we are very honored to have the presence and to give us a message, ladies and gentlemen, the Provincial Tourism Officer from Provincial Tourism Nueva Ecija, we have Miss Jan Mara Estefan San Pedro.
Mabuhay! Ayan. So ito po ang pagbati natin sa Department of Tourism. Mabuhay po sa inyong lahat. Binabati ko po ang ating Cabanatuan City Mayor, Honorable Micah Vergara. Ang ating mall manager, ang pinakamasipag na mall manager of SM City Cabanatuan, Mr. Marvin Mauro L. Magtoto. Binabati rin po natin ang ating Chief of Police, Colonel Renato Morales. Magandang gabi po, sir, and the representatives from the Philippine National Police. Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual and representatives from the Bureau of Fire Protection. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Our partners from the Department of Trade and Industry, Nueva Ecija, Dr. Debbie, magandang gabi. Ayan. And our colleagues from Cabanatuan City Tourism Office led by Attorney Sherilyn Madrid Bautista, magandang gabi po. Binabati rin po natin si Mr. Israel Adjarani and representatives of City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office. Media partners and friends, good evening po. On behalf of the Provincial Government of Nueva Ecija, I wish to extend our warmest greetings and heartfelt congratulations to SM City Cabanatuan on the occasion of your 10th Christmas launch. This celebration marks not only the beginning of the joyous Christmas season, but also a decade of bringing families, friends, and communities together through meaningful holiday traditions. So nabanggit ko nga kay Sir Mao kanina na yung anak ko po ay suki ng Christmas lighting ng SM. Nagsimula po kami noong 2020 nung namigay po kayo ng bears na nakamask. Then, noong 2021, playground park po yung display dito. Tapos, 2022, elves, naka-stroller na yung anak ko po noon. And 2023, yung giant snowman, yung naalala po namin. 2024, yung 15 feet giant na Santa natin. And 2025, ito naman po, ilang Christmas trees ang naka-display po natin with the, ano yung po yung tawag natin sa kanila? Mga Holly Squad. Yan, ayan. So with this year's theme, Winter Safari Wonderland, you continue to create a space where imagination meets festivity. A true reflection of SM's commitment to spreading joy and building connections that enrich the lives of Novo Ecijanos. So as we welcome the Christmas season, may we be reminded of the values that unite us, such as love, generosity, sharing, kindness, and hope. Let this season inspire us to share and support our local businesses and celebrate the beauty of togetherness that makes Nueva Ecija truly the heart of Central Luzon. The Provincial Tourism Office din po commends SMCT Cabanatuan for your continued partnership with us. Year after year po, nakakasama po natin ang SMCT sa mga proyekto po ng Provincial Tourism Office. Maraming salamat po. Indeed, this collaboration exemplifies our shared vision of never-ending spirit of hospitality and joy that defines our province. So once again po, on behalf of the Provincial Government of Nueva Ecija, on behalf of Governor Aurelio Oyman Sumali and Vice Governor Hill Raymond Omadi, congratulations SMCT Cabanatuan for this milestone celebration. May this year's Christmas be brighter, more meaningful, and filled with blessings for everyone. Maraming salamat po at maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much once again. Let's give a hand for Ms. John Mara Stefan San Pedro. And of course, to share her special message to us, the Trade Industry Development Specialist from DTI. Let's give a hand for Dr. Neverisa T. Hidalgo.
Thank you so much and good evening po sa ating lahat and advance Merry Christmas of course. Good evening po to all our guests and the dignitaries and all the names mentioned by our Provincial Tourism Officer, Ma'am Mara. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. To all our mall goers, magandang gabi po. On behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry, we would like to congratulate SMCT Cabanatuan, Sir Mao and team for the 10th Christmas launch. And alam naman po natin during this season, syempre po, it brings, of course, happiness and God's blessing. But it also beyond that is yung naitutulong po ng economy, no, sa ating ekonomiya ng Christmas season. Because of course, during this season po, alam naman natin, nabuboost yung ating consumer spending, yung ating buying power, di ba? Maraming pera, of course, na umiikot sa ating ekonomiya, and it supports our micro, small, and medium enterprises, and it creates more livelihood po para sa ating mga kababayan. Lalo na po sa mga negosyanteng patuloy po na nagsusumikap para sa kanilang mga pamilya. For SM po and DTI and of course for all our partners in enterprise development, this is a celebration of entrepreneurship and compassion. Na sa bawat produkto po na ating binibili, it symbolizes yung pangarap, yung hope, and of course yung pag-unlad po ng bawat isa. So we thank SMCT for being a strong partner in promoting local businesses for Novo Ecijanos. And syempre po, naka-house po dito ang aming DTI Negosyo Center sa 3rd floor sa Government Center. So please do visit our office.
And this is a festive space to celebrate the season of giving and togetherness. So nawa po ito ay magsilbing paalala na tunay na diwa ng Pasko ay ang pagtutulungan at pagmamalasakit sa isa't isa. Habang sabay-sabay nating pinauunlad ang ating lokal na ekonomiya. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations once again. And Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat.
Once again, a round of applause for Dr. Liberisa T. Hidalgo, the Trade Industry Development Specialist of VTI. This is the part that we've all been waiting for. May we call on our representative from SM Supermalls as well as our distinguished guest to join us here in front for the ceremonial toast and lighting of SM City Cabanatuan's Christmas centerpiece this year. I'm inviting Mr. Marvin Mauro L. Magtoto VI, the mall manager of SM City Cabanatuan, and of course Mayor Micah Vergara. We also have the Provincial Tourism Officer, Ms. Jan Mara Estefan San Pedro, the Trade Industry Development Specialist, Dr. Liberisa P. Hidalgo. Also, we have Police Lieutenant Colonel, Chief of Police Renato C. Morales, Chief Inspector Ryan L. Pascual, and from CBRRMO, Mr. Israel T. Acharani. Once again, let's give a hand for the representative from SM Supermalls as well as our distinguished guests. Come on, let's give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to light up and experience the happiest holiday here at SM City? Come on, everyone. How about a big round of applause? Come on, everyone. Raise yourselves as we begin. The happiest and brightest time of the year is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
For all to see, light up Christmas with giant trees. Dancing round like Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's
Celebrate your happiest holiday at SM Supermalls. Get ready for a touch of unique adventure at Safari Wonderland. Feel the Christmas season with our striking 30-foot Christmas tree adorned with a giant bowl surrounded by golden safari-inspired animals, together with our cute holiday squad and mini trees wrapped in ribbons, only here at SM City Cabanatuan. What a way to start the holiday season!
Christmas with giant trees. Dancing bright like Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's bring out our lists and come to buy our gifts. Here at SM Malls, Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest place to be. season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Come one and all. Bring your families here. Christmas, come one and all. It's the time of year. It's the happiest most to me. So for you and for me. Joyful season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Come on, pray. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs.
Once again, happy holidays 2025 from SMCT Cabanatuan.
At eto
And
na
at
nga
this time,
mga
it's time
kababayan,
to
sa
giving
halalan
everyone
natin
to stand
ang
back.
ceremonial na toast
Let's show that to our proper
lighting of Christmas centerpiece dito po sa SMCC Cabanatuan. Kaya naman sa mga nag-nais na matunghayan po itong centerpiece ay maaari po kayo bumisita dito lamang po sa event center dito sa first floor dito sa SMCC Cabanatuan. At pinagkatukayan natin na mascot!
Big red walls for all to see. Light up your Christmas with giant trees. Dance and rock, let's Yuletide ball. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Let's bring out our list and come to buy our gifts. Here at SMOs, Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest most to be. Perfect for you and for me. Joyful season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Come and all. Bring your families here. Christmas, come one and all.
Once again, happy holidays 2025 from SMCT Cabanatuan. And of course, to our guests, and we will now all be seated. And of course, our mall shoppers, and sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the evening here at SMCT Cabanatuan.
Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Let's bring out our lists and come to buy our gifts. Here at SMOs, Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest most to be. Perfect for you and for me. Joyful season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Bring your families here. It's the time of year. It's the happiest most to be. Perfect for you and for me. Joyful season, one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate bright. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. Celebrate bright. Celebrate Christmas at SMOs. It's the season. It's the happiest most to be. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we don't place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and our farms of corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how are we coming out of the storm? But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my tail is still goodbye. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. tree, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Walking in the winter wonderland.
Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Listen, listen, all his reindeer pulling on the reins.
Rolling is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in the winter wonderland. The meadow we can hear the snowman, pretend that is washing down. We'll say, are you Mary? We'll say, no man, but you can do the job every time. And the Lord will conspire
Come Santa
as we
Claus,
dream by the fire.
come Santa
The
Claus.
face of the flame, the place that we made, walking in the winter wonderland.
Till the reindeer children singing
Pretend that there's something now.
Santa Claus coming to say your prayers. Santa Claus comes tonight.
When it snows, ain't it pretty?
Come Santa
And
Claus,
you know, it's the chilly.
come Santa Claus.
Before we can play, the Eskimo way.
Santa Claus, Santa Claus comes tonight.
What an endearing performance, ladies and gentlemen. Our graceful ballerinas from Trinidad School of Dance and Arts. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much everyone for joining us here. Happy Holidays 2025, especially to the representative from SM Supermalls as well as our distinguished guests. For everyone, follow SMCT Cabanatuan's official Facebook page and stay tuned for more awesome Christmas festivities here at SM. Have a great night everyone and happiest holidays at SM.
Sing it, hold it, find them all. Love it, share it, fun for all. Such a wonderful world of affection for all. Something great, something new. For friends and family and for you. SM Supermalls, always the super, always the super. SM Supermalls, SM Supermalls. It's more fun for the family, fun for you, much more the good things. Sing it, more good times for one and all. SM Supermalls, SM Supermalls, always be super, always be super.
Christmas with giant trees. Dancing bright like Yuletide balls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Let's bring out our lists and come to buy our gifts. Here at SM Malls, Christmas can't get better than this. It's the happiest supposed to be. Perfect all for you and for me. Joyful season one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Come on and all. Bring your families here. Come one and all. It's the time of year. It's the happiest supposed to be. Perfect all for you and for me. Joyful season one and all. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Celebrate. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls. Celebrate Christmas at SM Malls.
Once again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and please settle down, and we'll be having our photo op starting with our performers. And of course, our performers to be followed by our distinguished representatives and VIPs or guests.
Wag na. And once again, mga ka-Nova, say hi, no? Dito po sa SM City Cabanatuan, tunay na mas maliwanag, mas masaya at mas makabuluhan ang Pasko. And of course, meron tayong interview with our Provincial Tourism Officer, si Ma'am John Mara San Pedro.
Magpunta at magkaroon ng mga aktibidad kasama ang ating pamilya. Ayan, kaya napakahalaga po talaga ng Christmas lighting ng SM kasi parte na po ito ng ating tradisyon. Every year, nandito po tayo sa SM City para sa tree lighting ceremony. At dahil doon, nakikita kita ang magkakapamilya at ang mga magkakaibigan. Kaya ngayon, nandito po tayong lahat. Ayan.
Ma'am, sa provincial government, ano naman po ang piniprefer for this coming season?
Ngayon po season ng Kapaskuhan, magkakaroon din po tayo ng lighting ceremony. At the same time, sa Provincial Tourism Office po, magkakaroon po tayo ng kompetisyon na ilalabas po namin sa mga susunod na araw.
So, ano po, pwede bang kahit paano malaman namin, ano ba yung pinaka-team natin ngayon? Ano ba aasahan natin? Meron bang mga contest?
Yes. Most probably po, last year nagkaroon na po tayo ng Rondalia competition and car competition. And most probably this year, magkakaroon po muli tayo nang sa gayon ay maitanyag po natin ang husay ng mga kabataang Novo Ecijano pagdating po sa pag-awit at pagtugtog gamit ang Rondalia. Ayan.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much po. Visit SM City Cabanatuan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Thank you po. Thank you. Live na live. Ano?
Picture na po tayo.
Sorry po.
Busy pa yun eh. Ay, call na.
And again, para po sa mga nais maranasan ng Halloween Magic, bisitahin na po ang kanilang Christmas Centerpiece dito po sa Evan Center at sa Bayan ng Saya ng Kapaskuhan. Mula po rito sa SM City Cabanatuan, ako po si Jovelyn Astero. Merry Christmas, everyone! Kita kaya ako dyan? Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Pass natin.
14.
Gusto lang natin yung akala ko yung interview niya. Charot! Gusto na mahaba. Tapusin lang po natin para sabay-sabay na.
Pero okay lang po, ikabit ko lang po.
Sasayaw muna ako habang Merry Christmas po. Uy, maraming salamat. Huwag po mahirap yung questions ha. Baka wala po akong masagot.
Ayan, shoutout po kay Miss Rio sa pag-heart.
Salamat. At nadala na naman kayo dito ni Lashing. Maraming salamat sa pagpasyal. O December kita-kits.
So sir, una, ano po yung mensahe natin dito naman sa ating Christmas dance niyo?
Unang-una po, syempre maraming salamat po sa lahat po na nagpunta. From our community partners to our media friends and friendly forces. So nakita naman po natin, nandito yung City LGU, nandito po yung provincial, nandito po yung iba't ibang ahensya na tumutulong po sa atin. So kami po maraming salamat. Parang SM po ngayon, no? Like the theme for this Christmas is makikita nyo may ribbon. It's a winter safari wonderland. Makikita nyo may ribbon dyan. Well, it symbolizes unity, connection, and generosity. So kami maraming salamat na napapagsama-sama natin yung mga kasama natin dito sa Nueva Ecija para po makapagbigay tayo. Well, centerpiece launch is a joyous and meaningful kumaga beginning ng celebration ng Christmas. So maraming salamat po.
Konting specifics lang, sir. Gaano kadami itong Christmas trees natin? And may mga sukat ba ito?
Yes, sir. Una-una, we have the 35-foot Christmas tree. Then scattered na po dyan, we have 13 Christmas trees with 9 feet, 13 feet, tsaka po 6 feet.
Why 13, sir?
Actually, yun lang po yung bilang. Wala namang ibig sabihin, pero kasama po niyan yung mga elegant and sophisticated golden safari animals natin na nag-add ng adventure and elegance dito sa decors natin. Kasama din po dyan, nakikita nyo, we have 4 praying golden crane. Ang Holly Squad po, we have Santa Claus, the reindeer, yung elf, tsaka snowman. So dati, last year, parang makikita natin si snowman. Ngayon, mas marami na sila. So mas marami, mas masaya.
Okay, sir. So,
Recycle po ba? Yung ginagawa ngayon?
Not really, sir. Yung iba nating Christmas trees, yes. For sustainability, of course. No, nag-recycle tayo, nini-invent natin siya para mas magkaroon ng bagong mukha, pero mas maganda naman. Very last year.
okay, bukod dito, sir, ano pa ang dahilan? Bakit kailangan pumunta sa SM City ngayong holiday?
Yung mga nabanggit po natin, no, we have lots of surprises and gimmicks na pinrepair po. Kung makikita nyo, yung mga nabanggit ko po kanina, meron tayong snowflake surprises, meron po tayong Christmas Village wherein you can scan and play. Punta lang po sila sa SM Online, tapos may scan po nila doon. Ang maganda po ngayon, we're shopping and gaining collide and meet, no, for an unforgettable Christmas celebrations. Meron pa po tayong choral sa December. Meron pa po tayong Grand Parade, which happening sa ibang mall, sa South Mall. Pero dito sa Luzon, sa North Luzon, tayo po meron. Grand Parade, that's on November 29.
Sir, ito, pasensya, pero concern niya yun ng lahat.
Yes po.
Ang safety, kung sakali po, na in any eventuality, ang mall, gaano kahanda po yung ating mga safety officials.
Well, kami naman po maraming nagpapasalamat. Kasi makikita nyo naman po, nandito yung ever supportive po natin from TNT. Kagaya kanina, nag-usap kami, sir, any assistance or support po na pwede namin ibibigay po namin. So, ang maganda naman po dito, talagang may community relations, no? Kakatapos lang po ng 3-day sale namin, pero makikita nyo walang critical na incident. So, makikita natin yung trust and confidence ng tao pag pumunta sa mall. They feel safe and secured.
Thank you very much, sir. Baka may message ka pa na gusto mong sabihin sa ating members.
Come and visit us here at SM City Cabanatuan para makita po ninyo yung niready namin na Christmas centerpiece para po sa mga taga Nueva Ecija, our fellow Novo Ecijanos. Kagaya po ng nasabi ko, the ribbon, it symbolizes unity, connection, and generosity. Yun naman din po talaga yung values na nagre-resonate and reflects dun sa essence ng Christmas, no? Ang pinakamahalaga nga po, kagaya nung nabanggit din ni Mayor kanina, is yung relationship po natin sa bawat isa. Yung malasakit po natin sa bawat isa.
Thank you very much, sir.
Marami pong salamat. Merry Christmas po sa lahat. Kita-kita po tayo sa SM City Cabanatuan.
At di ba meron kay SM Birds of Joy dati? Ano na po ngayon ang tawag doon?
Yeah, nice question. Actually, kung last year meron po tayong Bears of Joy, ngayon naman meron tayong Besties of Joy. So by tomorrow, available na po yan. That's 330 pesos, one pair. Yung isa po, makukuha ninyo. Yung isa, ibibigay po natin sa chosen charity natin. So we have Tala, Rumi, Nana, and Honey. So 4 variants po yun. Besties of Joy. Merry Christmas! Marami pong salamat. Marami pong salamat. Thank you po. Picture na